Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Doodle Keeper. So today I'll be unboxing this Holbein Acrylic Gouache 12 color set, and this is the range where they have their pastel range. And let's see what information they have given on the box. So it just says that artist acrylic polymer emulsion opaque colors, and this is the packaging. There nothing on the back. So yeah, this is the packaging. Now let's open and see. And so these are the colors. These are so pretty. I actually fell in love with these colors. If you see that the packaging, they are quite good. They're sturdy. So these are 20 ml tubes in pastel colors. Let's just check how they are. They don't have any lid uh, over here, but I think caps are quite nice and quite sufficient, and we will not require anything else. So there are also some pigment names which are there on the tube, like this is PG 7 PB 15, and there is also a permanency rating chart, which like this has a 3. As you can see, there are 3 bars, so this will be better, I feel, than this which has just 2. So yeah, the brand is also quite conscious in giving out these datas, which I feel a lot of manufacturers they don't give. So this is an additional bonus. So basically, they will dry, um, and will not be able to be activated by water like we do with gouache or watercolors, but they are supposed to have matte finishing. So I'll be swatching these for you guys, and stay tuned for that. This is my layout for the swatching, and I will be using this angular brush for the swatching, and my palette is ready. I have some clean water with me. So let's get started. So I have just dipped this brush in some water, and already pad dried on a tissue, and now I will be starting to swatch. So this is pale pink. Let's start with this. So the color is spreading quite nicely. So what I'm understanding right now is just, even a little drop, even just a little tiny drop is quite enough, and it really spreads well. And also, as you can see, like there is no shine on the paper, and the color is spreading so well. I'm taking just a tiny, just dampening my brush. So this one is pale lime. This one is ice green, and the color is so beautiful. So I just wanted to show you a closer view of the colors as well. This one is pale mint. So here is the final swatch card, and you can see that the colors have come out so beautiful. I'm in love with this palette. These colors, they are opaque. I've used quite a little color, and they are opaque. They are matte, and the other thing which I notice is they are very quick drying. I will also show in some coming videos like how I'm layering them up, because as they are opaque and I cannot re-wet them, so we can put as many layers as we want. So one of the other things that I have noticed is, as it is with the gouache, the light colors, they will dry a bit deeper. So even though these colors, they look quite light on the tube, but this is how this is dried up. So as you can see that most of the colors have dried up a bit deeper than what is actually on the tube. So here are a few of my artworks that I have done using these acrylic gouache. In this, the background also I have blended using these. I've used 3 colors from here, and I'll be posting a tutorial so you can have a look over there. So since we can add water to the gouache, these acrylic gouache colors, so it was quite easy for me to blend, and the blend has also come out quite matte, not how the acrylic blends or how acrylic comes. They are very shiny, though I've used this white as the acrylic from acrylic colors only, but rest all are all from this palette. So as you can see that the application is quite good. And then over here also I've laid like at least 5 colors I've laid on top of each other. So I've just used the background as from another acrylic set, but this all these flowers and leaves, they're all done with these pastel uh, acrylic gouache colors. So right now they act more like acrylics, I would say. Just the matte quality that they have is a gouache quality, but mostly it tends towards acrylics. So they cannot be reactivated on paper, but if it is wet on your palette, you can reactivate it. You can put water, you can put more paint in it. So I use these gouache with in this airtight palette which I got off from Amazon. So as you can see, the color, it's still wet, and I had used it last night. So in case it is kept a little moistened and in an airtight container or palettes, so the colors can stay a bit longer, but still I don't think so it'll last more than a day. So plan your sketches or illustrations in advance so that you don't have to waste the color. For larger areas like in this, you can see there are no brush strokes. When using a regular gouache or even with acrylics, we get brush strokes, but in this it has come out quite evenly, even though it's quite a large area that I've covered. Also, I know that the tubes, they look so tiny, and it looks as if there's not much color in it, but I would just like to say that just a tiny bit goes a long way. So it's better to have a little less color on your palette and then put more than to put more and waste the colors. So that's it, everyone. I've just reviewed the Holbein acrylic gouache set pastel colors for you, and let me know in comments what would you like to see next. And in case you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.